Hi, welcome back to my channel. This time I'm going to unbox a mid-range phone with 6000 mAh battery capacity. I'm going to unbox the Samsung M31 which has 6000 mAh battery capacity, so medyo malaki yung battery life niya. And also, I want to check the performance of this mid-range phone. Kung maganda ba siya or slow motion ba siya while doing multitasking and gaming, and also overheating. And this phone has a Super AMOLED display. So let's check it out. By the way, meron akong giveaway guys, so stay tuned at the end of this video. The way, here's the box. Very simple lang siya. Plain and simple, white. Tignan natin to. Start by 1. And here's the phone. Earphone, USB-C type cable, and the charger. And the pin, SIM card ejector pin. So this is the phone guys. The color I ordered is black. So plain black lang siya and very glossy. Other colors available are red and blue. Unfortunately guys, wala siyang screen protector and wala rin siyang kasaling jelly case. No free jelly case included. On the left side we have the power button, the volume control. There's a mic here pero hindi masyadong kita kasi dark talaga yung phone, very black siya. On the bottom we have headphone jack, USB-C type port, mic, and the loudspeaker. Tapos on the left side we have the SIM card tray as well as for the expandable memory card. And the material at the back is made of plastic. And this is the fingerprint scanner or the finger sensor. So ito na guys yung screen. Ang cute niyan tingnan kasi it reminds me of Pixar movies. Ito. So unlock natin using the finger scanner sa likod. Yan, responsive siya. The screen size of this is 6.4 inches with Super AMOLED display and 2340 by 1080 pixels. Meron siya Infinity U display para more space for watching YouTube or movies and also for the games. So let's also check this one. Meron siyang dark mode. So, let's activate it. Meron na siyang Dolby Atmos. Pag naka-earphone tayo, mas maganda yung tunog ng mga music. For the music, wala siyang default na music application. We have to download manually. Meron downloadable Samsung Music app. Samsung Music app or player. One. Install natin. So this phone runs on Android 10 One UI 2.0 with a chipset of Exynos 9611 and octa-core processor. It has quad cameras at the back, 5 megapixel macro, 5 megapixel depth, 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 32 megapixel front camera or the selfie camera. Both front and back camera can do up to 4K at 30 FPS video. Now for the battery, it has 6,000 mAh battery capacity with 15 watts fast charging. So more battery life sa phone natin, especially when playing games and again multitasking like watching videos and other stuff like chatting and browsing Facebook, Instagram also, and others. So here are the sample clips taken from the camera. Para sa loudspeaker, okay naman yung music niya. Ito. Clear yung sound and okay siya sa tenga natin. So there you go guys. My only disappointment on this phone is wala siyang free jelly case and wala rin siyang screen protector. Unlike other brands of the phone, di ba pagbukas natin may free jelly case tsaka free screen protector. But on the other hand, when it comes to the video quality, like watching YouTube or Netflix from this phone, maganda siya, mag-enjoy ka manood kasi very colorful siya and very smooth yung graphics. But when it comes to the games, you would also enjoy the graphics of the games, pero konting hiccup lang meron doon. Okay lang for me kasi hindi naman ako masyado nababother doon, tsaka hindi masyado affected yung paglaro ko ng games. This phone has also no screen recording. Yun pa naman gusto ko. So, di ba, pag naglaro tayo ng games, pinapakita natin, pinapost natin sa YouTube or sa Facebook. When it comes to the video features, sa front camera, meron siyang live focus or the portrait mode, yung blurry background. Pero hindi masyado maganda kasi para kang nasa dream sequence. Pero sa back camera, portrait mode, maganda siya yung pagka-blur ng background niya. And sa videos naman, sa rear camera or back camera, meron siyang super steady and meron din siyang image stabilization and 4K videos also. So there you go guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, bye. For my giveaway, this is my giveaway. It's UBL Bluetooth speaker. Clip 3 ang model. So this is waterproof. Pwede mo rin ito isabit sa backpack ninyo habang nagma-mountaineering kayo or habang umuulan. So this is a good quality Bluetooth speaker. For the mechanics, just read the description below my videos. Good luck again guys!